Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going out in the woods, do some solo camping, and make some homemade pizza pockets. And hopefully do a little bit of fishing, maybe finally catch something for once, but hopefully you'll join along and see what happens. Anyways, we got to run to Walmart first, grab some supplies, and then make our way into the woods. See you then. Well, we made it back here. Nice breeze here. Keep all the bugs away, or hopefully most of them, especially the horse flies. I'll get a few things set up and go find some firewood if I can, and hopefully get these pizza pockets made. But anyways, we'll do a little bit of fishing first and get some firewood. Found this old basement of something from years and years ago. Trees that have grown in it. Old steps going down to it. And somebody's garbage pit. We got a little bit of firewood there. Should be enough to make some coals and cook. But we're going to try this little fly that's not hooked on properly, but I don't really care, and see if we can get some fish over there. It doesn't really help that the wind's flying at us there, but we'll see what we can do here. Hopefully keep the horse flies away from me. They are brutal. Well, the last time I was here I never got anything. Don't imagine I'll get anything tonight, maybe later on. Whoa, that didn't work. I don't know what we got going on in here now. Oh yeah, it's good and tangled up. Well, that's the end of that for right now. I found an old Honda four-wheeler key. Looks like somebody's house key. I'll put them up over on the rock over there. Maybe somebody will be down here looking for them sometime, find their keys. Well, it's time to sit down and have a cold snack, enjoy the rest of the evening, and get a fire going here soon. And hopefully these horse flies start to go away because there's a lot of them. Well, we got the cheap dollar store fire starter, some cardboard and wax, throw that in there, get some sticks broken up, and see if we can get this fire going. These horse flies are really bad out here. Okay, so we're going to make some homemade pizza pockets using this little cooker thing, whatever you call it. Cast iron camp cooker is what it's called. We're going to put some bread in there, put some cheese, pepperoni, pizza sauce, smash it in there, peel the bread off on that hanging out in the outside, and then throw it in the fire, and hopefully we don't burn it. Got this cheap at Walmart, I think it was 20 bucks. Comes with the instructions and some recipes, so we might have to do those another time. But we'll get a couple of these prepared and get that fire going good and get some good coals to be able to cook on. I've seen this on TikTok, of course, where you find all your good recipes, TikTok. And just going to kind of gauge that. I thought the bread was going to be a lot bigger than that actually, so that works out good. And I forgot spoons. I have a spoon for the pizza sauce. We'll get a little saucy here and put some of that on there. Don't want too much, I don't know how big I can make these. Spread that around with that. It's good enough for the first try. We'll see what we get out of it. And don't forget pepperoni on there. And then throw a little cheese on it. Well, a lot actually, but and then just smash that onto there. And put it in our little cast iron cooker there. Squeeze that down, close that up. Then once I'm ready to cook, we'll just feed the ducks and peel that away, put it in the fire, set about 5 minutes on either side. Probably depends on how hot your fire is. Hopefully it turns out good, but very easy, and we'll see what it's like here in a little bit. Okay, we got enough coals on the go there. Let's throw this in and hopefully not burn it all to you know what. Perfect. Okay, so it's been about a minute or so. I'm going to take this off the fire, let it cool down a little bit. Actually, let's see. You can kind of see what it looks like without me dropping it. Yeah, she's toasty. And one thing it did say was to put butter in there, and I totally forgot to get butter. But anyways, we'll let that cool down, then we'll cut it open and see what it looks like and have a taste. And at least that trailer hitch is good for something. Hang it up there, then it'll cool off, not burn the ground, get grass all burnt to it and dirt and everything else. So I couldn't wait, I had to take it out. It's still pretty warm. Let's cut this in half and see what it looks like on the inside. Oh yeah. I think I need to do the cheese on both sides next time and not have it so burnt on the other side, but that looks pretty good. Let that cool down a little longer and then have a bite. we got that cooled down enough. The cheese in there looks pretty good. We'll have a bite, try it out. That was very good. Even though it's a little burnt on one side, still pretty good. Try a second one after I'm done this, and hopefully we don't burn it. Well, the second one came out a little bit better. Did it about 2 minutes on either side. I'd suggest 2.5, 3 minutes depending on the heat. But we will get this one eaten. And then, just gonna hang out, listen to the loons, and get this fire going a little better, and get ready for bed soon. So the fire's all out. Time to go to bed. Way past my bedtime. Gotta sit down and watch some Netflix probably. Downloaded some comedies to watch and head off to bed, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, made it through the night. Here we are bright and early, about 5:30 in the morning. Got to get up early anyways to head to a car show. Got about a 3.5 hour drive. But yeah, I definitely recommend making some pizza pockets and making them over the fire, and throw whatever you want in them. It doesn't have to just be pepperoni and cheese, but that's all I made mine with. And hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.